Hi everyone, I'm on a holiday at this beautiful resort, and so I thought let me show you what's in my travel makeup pouch. Of course, I haven't used most of the items in it, but then, well, these are travel essentials that I carry with me in case I want to use them. So let's get started and let me show you what's inside. The first product I have is of course a foundation, and for travels I prefer to carry a stick foundation or a cushion foundation because it's just so easy to apply and blend. So this is the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation. My shade is Tres Leches and I haven't used it at all throughout this trip. The next product I have is this concealer. This is by Daughter Earth and this is in the shade Latte. I've shown this on my stories, me using this on my stories. In fact, this is a product that I've used pretty much all the time. Even right now, that's all I have under my eyes and around my mouth. I don't have any other foundation or anything at all. So this is a must have product for me, and that's the next product that goes in my travel makeup pouch. For my brows, I'm carrying this one by Nude Sticks. This is the Nude Sticks Eyebrow Stylist Pen Plus Gel. So it has a brow styler, a brow pen on one side, and on the other side it has a gel. So that's great for setting your brows, especially when you're going to be in the pool for a swim, and that's what I have used to darken my brows as well. The mascara I'm carrying is the Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. Now this is an absolute favorite of mine, but it is not waterproof, and that's one mistake that I made. I should have carried my Lash Paradise, which is a waterproof mascara, but because I'm not carrying that and because I was in the pool all the time, this mascara went pretty much unused. But I have to tell you, I love this one. I didn't carry a bronzer or any contour product because I knew I wouldn't be wearing too much makeup on this trip. I did carry this one though. This is the Dear Darling tint from Etude in the shade RD307, and it's a great multi-purpose product. I use this on my lids if I want to, but it's great for having that flushed cheek kind of look and on your lips as well. Very juicy color. This has been in my favorite blushes as well. I love this and it's really very cute. So this is one product that I really recommend you carry on your travels. For the eyes, I did not carry any eyeshadows because, like I said, I knew I wasn't going to be wearing much makeup on this trip, but I did carry the essentials, that is a black and a brown eye pencil. Of course, I also carried a mint green and an aqua blue eye pencil just to add that pop of color because after all, it's a summer holiday, it's a pool holiday. So yeah, these four are the eye pencils that I carried in my makeup kit. And finally, for lips, three products, that's all I carried. A nude lipstick, this one is from Sugar. A pink lip gloss, which is what I'm wearing right now. This one is the Lip Lift Max by Pixie in the shade Peony Bloom, one of my absolute favorites. And a red lip crayon, again this one's by Sugar. Haven't used this, the only one I've been using every day is this one. But yeah, it's good to have a nude, a red and a pink when you're traveling. So those are all the products I carried with me in my travel makeup kit. So let me know what you think of this video. Also tell me, what sort of a traveler are you? Do you carry a lot of makeup when you travel, or do you just prefer to go au naturel when you're traveling? I look forward to reading all your comments. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, of course, and share it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.